So we back in the whips. You know what I'm saying? We about to go cut up in some traffic. This probably gonna be end of part 1 for the vlog. I got y'all, man. Just let me know if y'all want to see the next part, man. I got y'all. Ooh, I don't want to scrape. I don't want to scrape. My nigga was just cutting up. No cap. Yes, sir. tackling, boy. Dead, bro. Hey. Fool, boy, it's colder than a motherfucker trying to get this content. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, bro. 39 outside, bro, and I'm out here freezing trying to get this content. That boy O'Malley cutting up, bro. That boy cutting up in that. Oh my God. Woo. Oh. Boys almost wrecked that bitch. Tell him to get in front of me. Get in front of me, get in front of me, get in front of me. Go, go, go. That was the pizza guy. The pizza nigga cutting up out here, bro. No way we cutting up in front of all these people. Oh boy. Bro, ain't no way. All them people was outside. I'm dead, bro. I'm fucking dead, bro. That shit is lit. Bro, all the people was like, what the fuck? Bro.
What y'all think, YouTube?
Yeah, man, what y'all
Where's
think,
the next
man?
spot we going to, man? We're going out of state next time.
Hey, we going Mr. Goddamn Takeover next
Nah,
Mr.
Mr. Goddamn stayed inside. He didn't even come out. He came out twice.
Dude, bro. He ain't even pop off. He was on car me. Y'all that way. Hey, chill, don't come.
Sure, yeah.
That nigga gonna come shoot
That's gonna be the intro clip.